Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of ticket escalation in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app enhances the help desk by introducing a structured escalation management system. With configurable escalation levels and automated ticket routing, businesses can ensure further responsive times and efficient issue resolution. This module helps streamline support operation by assigning escalated tickets to the right person or team, improving customer satisfaction and service quality. So, we will go into the help desk module. In here, under configuration, we will find two menus named level configuration and type configuration. First of all, we will go into the type configuration and we will create the types in here. You can see I have created two different types in here. The first one is BA escalation and second is development team. After this, we will go into the level configuration. And here you can see I have created two different levels. Number one is escalated to the functional team and the type we have selected is BA escalation in here. You can add your default assignees in here. I have selected Michelle admin in this. Now in the next one you can see the level name is escalate to development team and the type we have selected in this is development team. And in default assignees, we have selected mark demo. After all of this, we will go into the tickets. In all tickets, we will create a new ticket. Here, add all the details. We will add a ticket title as lost key. Here you can see the help desk team is customer care. We will assign this to Michelle admin. We will add our priority to medium. After this, in ticket type, select development team. Here we have selected development team. Add your tags. Here I am selecting repair as my tag. Now in customer, we will be selecting Azure interior. You can add your email if you want. After this, add your description. I am adding lost key as my description. Now save this ticket. Now after all of this, you can see there is one button named escalated ticket and you can also see that this ticket is assigned to Michelle admin and we have selected development team in the ticket type. When I click on escalated ticket button, here you can see that it is in escalation stage. After this, you can see the assigned to is changed to mark demo from Michelle admin as we have selected ticket type to development team. After this, if we go into the settings, under technical, we will find a menu for emails. Open that and here you will see a ticket email has been sent to mark demo from Michelle admin. Here you can see the email and in the body you can see that your ticket is moved in escalation state. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.